Hello, I am 若. I saw news reports that Justin Bieber was wearing two giant pairs of sweatpants at once. Some people imitate this kind of wearing, but it's only cool when someone famous does it. Anyone else would be considered weird for dressing like that. The news used the idiom 东施效颦 to describe this kind of person. So in this video, let's get to know the idiom 东施效颦. 东施 is a woman's name. 效仿效 imitate. 颦 from 皱眉. 颦 is an archaic word. Bring your eyebrows together so that there are lines on your face above your eye to show that you feel something uncomfortable. Ancient China has four beauties. 西施 is one of them. We use the idiom 沉鱼落雁, 闭月羞花 to describe the appearance of four beauties. 沉鱼 is said that the fish concentrate on staying at 西施 and forgot to breathe, so fall into the deep water. You can find more in the video the similar and the difference between English and traditional Chinese. Check out notes for the link. Since even the fish couldn't deny the beauty of 西施, we know how beautiful she is and why 东施 will want to imitate her. It's a sunny day. The weather is pleasant. A nice day for work. Unfortunately, 西施 feels uncomfortable with her heart condition, so she frowns and puts her hand on her chest. You might think that people who are sick have an unattractive appearance. Somehow, even though she is sick, she still looks fabulous. Looks like a beautiful painting. People who originally stayed at home couldn't help but go out and stare at her. On the same street, there was another woman named 东施. That day, she saw 西施 walking on the street, and she too was attracted to her. She thinks that by imitating her, she will get prized. So she walks down the street with the same pose. But her face is not as pretty as 西施, so she makes people uncomfortable, and everyone goes back inside, close the door and window to avoid seeing her. Therefore, we use 东施效颦 to describe someone who wants to imitate someone else but fails, can't attract people or get prize, instead makes people feel sick by doing it. There's an idiom, 画虎不成反类犬. Try to draw a tiger but failed. Instead, the painting looks like a dog. The idiom has the similar meaning. Both contains the meaning to imitate something unsuccessfully and ending up making oneself look ridiculous. Usually, 东施效颦 is used when someone imitates another person's appearance. But when talking about the method of doing things, you would use 画虎不成反类犬. For example, 他一次穿那么多运动裤，是想模仿小贾斯汀吗？ Is he trying to imitate Justin Bieber by wearing more than one sweatpants at once? 东施效颦 Fail to copy and look super stupid. 这部电影是名著改编的，但剧情改得乱七八糟， 编剧根本不懂原著，真是画虎不成反类犬。This movie is based on a famous novel, but the plot is messed up. The screenwriter failed to understand the original novel and did a ridiculous job of it. Now let's review today's vocabulary. 仿效 imitate. 皱眉 frown. 东施效颦 someone who wants to imitate someone else but fails, can't attract people or get prized, and instead makes people feel sick by doing it, usually used in appearance. 画虎不成反类犬 to imitate something unsuccessfully and end up make a fool of oneself. Usually used in a way of doing things. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you like it and share your idea with me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.